Hi, this is Tom with Coherent Logic, and today we are going to take a look at the CMR-API specifically for the US TreasuryDirect.gov web services. So let's jump right in and make a call to the US TreasuryDirect.gov website. And here's what this call looks like. In this case, we have our URL at the top, and that would be here. And then I've written out how this breaks down in code. So in the URL we have TA_WS, and that equates to a .taws method. Securities has a .securities method. Auction has a .auction method. All parameters are set via with methods. So in this case we have with type as tips, and then we have with days as 720, and then finally we do get as securities data set. So the equivalent code looks like this. We import two classes. First of all, one is a package object, and the second is CMR. We instantiate CMR, and then we use CMR to build up the query, as we've discussed a moment ago. And then finally, we will show the data set. So let's go ahead and execute this. And there you have it. So that concludes this example for working with the US TreasuryDirect.gov web services. If you have any thoughts or suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I appreciate a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks again.